All right, guys, welcome back. This right here is going to be a quick how-to on replacing a window regulator for your Kia Optima 2016 and up. Now, I have another video where we removed the door panel, so here's the continuation, so we don't have to bore you with all the steps, okay? Now, you may want to have your battery disconnected so we can remove this airbag connector, all right? But in the meantime, in order for us to take off this this window regulator, I will suggest one thing. Please roll your window down enough until you see the screws coming right here and being lined up right here. All right, here's one, and the other one is right here, two. Because if you don't do that, it's going to be a pain in the ass and you won't be able to do it. Personal experience, all right? So, in order for you to have the regulator come out, there will be 10 millimeters, and here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, that's how you get it off. Let's do that. Now, with your 10 millimeter bolts removed, keep in mind you will have to disconnect this wiring harness, but I'm just showing you real quick, okay? So once we have that removed, we should be able to pull this out a little bit. And it's actually, it goes in there, so you have to lift up and pull out just like that. But right now, like I said, the wiring harness is in the way and everything. So there's also this tab right here. You see this tab? You're gonna want to push this in so you're able to pull it out from here as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. If you don't lower your window, this is the way you're gonna have to do it. Plug your door panel in and lower the window just enough to where you see those right there. Okay. Just like that. Hey, at least you see it in the video and you know what I'm talking about. All right, once you have that, grab yourself a 10 mil, loosen it up. Make sure you don't loosen it up all the way now, because then you're gonna open up a can of worms, and nobody likes cans of worms. All right, now go ahead. Is it still on there? All right, hold on. Try. Go up and down a little bit so that people can see. So now you see the window is no longer on those things like that. And in case you're wondering, these things are clamps like this. Every time you tighten it up, it holds the glass in place. All right, well, with these removed, make sure somebody holds the window or you tape the window up. You can pull this up and remove easily, just like this. And then boom, you have access to your window regulator, just like that. All right. All right, there you go, guys. That's how you remove your window regulator. So I'm gonna stop this video now. I have other projects to do real quick. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for me. All right? Because the regulator is one whole piece. That's why I'm doing this as a whole regulator video. Thank you.